The RevisionCloud command. The RevisionCloud command is used to indicate mistakes in the drawings or things that have to be modified or changed, customized. You may be working for an architectural firm, a mechanical firm, civil engineering, and usually for the senior person in that office will be the checker. Your drawings will go through the checker before they hit the shop floor or they go out and the structure is built. This checker has the most experience and will actually look at your drawing and will mark it so that you can do the corrections to ensure that the drawing is correct before it does hit the shop floor. There are different ways this person will do this. One way is with RevisionClouds, and this is how I'm going to do it. This is the RevisionCloud button, RevisionCloud. Now let me look here in the draw. There is in the draw panel in the ribbon, here is the RevisionCloud button, the same icon. I'm going to mark this mistake. Here we have an object and we have an opening. It's a mistake. I'm going to mark it just like the checker would do. I'm going to select the RevisionCloud icon from the draw toolbar, and I'm going to pick and move along. And then when I get close to, I don't have to pick again. It closes itself. This is what you would get back. You'd get back your drawing with a RevisionCloud showing where the mistake would be. A lot of times they'll put a little text here telling you to close this guy up. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to erase this RevisionCloud and I'm going to show you how you can modify them. First thing I want you to notice, I'm going to pick RevisionCloud and I'm just going to put one right here, a big one. Look at the size of the scallops. I'm going to select RevisionCloud again. Look down at the command prompt. It says arc length. Look at the options. Arc length, object, and style. I'm going to select A, type A for arc length, and I'm going to press enter. And the arc length, I'm going to change it to 0.25. Now here you have to be careful. Once you change it to 0.25, you're going to press enter. Be careful because it's just like a polyline. Just like as if you're changing the width of a polyline. It's going to ask you for again, to specify the maximum length of the arc, you have to press enter again. Now you are ready. I'm going to go ahead and pick and look at the size of the scallop now. Now another thing that you can do is you can actually draw. I'm going to use polyline and I'm going to pick from here to here, here to here, and go ahead and close it. And this is the area I want the person to look close at, right in this area. I'm going to select RevisionCloud again. This time I'm going to type in O for object, press enter. I'm going to pick this polyline that I drew and reverse direction, no. And there it is, right here. All it did is turn my polyline into a RevisionCloud. Now I'm going to show you how some of you civil engineering students can use the RevisionCloud. I'm going to change this to trees. Let us say you're drawing a plan, a site plan or whatever. And it's a topo drawing and it's got trees in the area and you know where they are and they're clumped all together. You don't have to show individual trees, but you got to get represented as close as you can to what the real thing looks like. So I'm going to pick RevisionCloud and I'm going to pick here and I'm going to go around. This is what the trees look like right in here, and it closes. But there's an opening right in here that where there are no trees. What I'm going to do is I'm going to select the RevisionCloud again. I'm going to pick again, come close in like this, close it, and then I'm going to right-click on it, right-click again, and then I'm going to pick. It says select objects. I'm going to pick it, reverse direction, yes, and that's how you would do that. Notice what happened when I did. I could also do it. I'm going to go ahead and erase it. Notice what it did when I did the polyline. Let me try it again. I'm going to go ahead and select. The opening is right in here. I'd probably turn my polar tracking off. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to select RevisionCloud. I'm going to type in O for object. Press enter. Pick it. There it is. Reverse direction. Sure. And there it is right there. This is for civil engineering. Now you can get even fancier than this. What I'm going to do, I'm going to select RevisionCloud. I'm going to type in S for style and press enter. calligraphy. I'm going to select, this is normal. All of these are normal. I'm going to select calligraphy and watch what happens to the RevisionCloud. It almost looks like something you see in a newspaper with text inside. This is calligraphy. It looks really, really nice. I don't see a checker ever using this, but in civil engineering and even when you do it to yourself, you may want to review your own drawing and use RevisionClouds to point out places which you want to make specific changes. This is RevisionCloud.